Today in front of me I have XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can take a macro photo on this device. So to begin with, you have to obviously launch camera and make sure that the camera is, the chosen camera is the back one, the main one, not the selfie camera. Then you just take the object that you would like to take a picture of. So I'll go with our logo, let's say. Then let me place it in a better place. Then make sure to capture it. Then use the 2x zoom. Focus on the object. And, well, take a picture. And here we have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.